Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Google Play Store. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Play Store gift cards, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on a device and search Play Store gift card. On the search results, scroll down and tap gift card promotions. Here, tap where to buy. Once you do that, you will be able to see all the places where you can buy the gift cards, both online and in store. Now select the store you want to buy the gift cards from. I will select Amazon. A new tab will open. You can now select the design of the gift card and select the amount on the gift card. The amount can range from $25 to $200. You can send the gift card to other people or keep it to yourself. So enter the email address of the receiver and enter your name. You can even add a message along with the gift card. Similarly, select the number of gift cards and the date to send the gift card. Once you are done, tap Buy Now. Once the order is placed, the gift card will be received within 4 hours via email. And that's how you buy Play Store gift cards. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.